So I'm technically on vacation. I just now got back from Europe and I planned on doing absolutely nothing at all for the rest of the week. But then I checked the watch list and I saw Nikola hit $1. And if you take a look at the day's range, it went below that several times. And this is just a few weeks ago, Nikola did a $100 million stock sale, 20% below the market as of the Friday, March the 31st. And at the time of this article, the closing price was $1.40, and it sold the stock offering at a discount at $1.12. And according to this article, it had a lot of trouble finding buyers. Basically, it could only place about a third of its shares with its clients, and then an unnamed private investor bought the rest. And I bet that unnamed investor probably wishes he would have just waited until now if he was really going to buy the shares, because he would have saved some money. So what does this mean for Nikola, and how close is it to delisting? Well, it still has a ways away, because it's in delisting territory, but some more stuff has to happen. First of all, it has to close below $1 for 30 consecutive trading days. Now, once that happens, the NASDAQ will issue a deficiency notice. And after that, Nikola has 180 days to do something about it. And that something about it means it either has to reverse split, or it needs to get the share price up above $1 for at least 10 consecutive trading days. Now, in order for this to get above $1, either the macroeconomics need to straighten out, which doesn't seem like it's going to happen anytime soon, or Nikola needs a win. Like, Nikola needs some kind of win. And given how precarious Nikola's situation is, now I did a more in-depth video, which you can watch up here, but the short version, there it goes again, below $1. But the short version is that, Nikola is, it's running out of cash. Just a short version of where Nikola stands. So Nikola's operating expense as of 2022 was $644 million. Nikola had $233 million in cash. So add $100 million for the stock sale. So $333 million in cash, which is not enough. Now, let's assume that Nikola does really, really well this year with deliveries and all that stuff, and it actually starts delivering what it says it's going to deliver. Analysts estimate Nikola coming in at $155 million, which is a pretty big step up, but that's not quite enough. Even if Nikola continues to perform well, it's going to have to do more, stock sales or take on more debt or something. Something's going to happen for Nikola to stay afloat. And yeah, the writing might be on the wall with this company, but we'll have to see what happens. If Nikola does this in 2024 and gets past all this and somehow manages to stay in business and keep some sort of cash, Nikola might be okay. But as I said in that last video, it is a huge risk. And right now, Nikola needs to add potentially delisting or reverse stock splitting, neither of which are good, on top of those worries. But anyways, just a quick update. Take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.